Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I remain Valen. On today's video, I'll be taking you through some of the terminologies that are used in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. And first and foremost, in your PC, you must have installed the Microsoft Office, and you find various types of Microsoft elements in it. Now, if you have the Microsoft Office in your PC, you just right click, then you go to New. After going to New, it gives you a variety of options, but for this case, we are interested in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Then you click on Microsoft Power Presentation, then you double click on it. After double clicking on it, this will appear. As you are saying here, is saying click to add the first slide, meaning we have to click, and here is our first slide. As I promised that I will be taking you through some of the terminologies used in Microsoft Power Presentation. First and foremost, this one you see here is a slide, and all of this is a ribbon. And in a ribbon, we have tabs. We have the Home tab. When you click on it, it has groups, it has the clipboard, it is having slides here, it is having fonts, paragraph. This one's at the group. When you click on insert, insert has its own groups also. It has images, illustrations, comments, text. You go to draw. As you are seeing here, it's also giving you groups. That is the draw tab. It contains groups in it. You go to design. It has themes, customize, variant. Then when you go to transitions, as you are seeing here, we have preview, we have transition to this slide, we have timing. Then here we have slideshow. In the next video, I will be taking you through how to do all of it practically. I actually want to show you through how we can use, because it's very important for you to know the terms which are used in the PowerPoint presentation. And so see here, welcome to PowerPoint, bring your presentations. Now this is it. I'll be taking you through how to do it practically. Here simply you can, when it is inserting, meaning that is adding a new slide, we have a variety of slides here. You choose any. and choose this one, type and content. It is showing you here that click to add the title, meaning you just click there, you type your title, let's say road accidents. You just click on it. That is what it probably needs as adding. So if you want to design, they are saying the design has already been applied, you want change, say this is how the design looks like, these are the transitions. That is just adding to spice up your slides. Yeah, but like that. Otherwise, see you in the next video, as we shall be going through how to do it practically. Please remember to like, view and subscribe. Thank you.